Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix low speaker volume or muffled sound in your INFINIX Hot 60i. So at first what I do recommend doing is to open settings. Here, go to the sound and vibration. As you can see, here we do have a lot of cool features. For example, DTS Sound. Open DTS Sound, and here, as you can see, manage the presets actually. For example, if you have Smart, you can use it only for music. The sound quality should be better. I think so. Should be very better, because DTS Sound sometimes it's not that smart as it's typed and as it's written here. So you have to just switch sound according to the scene. Game, video, and here, as you can see, oh, my phone want to escape me. Here, for example, if you tap music, you can tap use music sound. Here they have wide in front traditional stereo sound, boost, bass, vocal, treble. Have these all features disabled, just leave it as it is. And here, disable equalizer, or if you want, you can enable equalizer, but you can just you have to manage this sound up to your own needs. As for the volume level, apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to slightly increase the volume level that is here, for example, media, to, for example, this value. Just check if everything goes right after increasing the volume level. If it still isn't, what I do recommend doing is to take some soft brush, and if you take off the case, what I do recommend doing is to just clean the speaker grill right there. As you can see, that's it. If you still have any problems with your device, you have to contact the device support, because your device may be just broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.